Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Angela here. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch another video. Opened up the window there so that you could see my bright face. Hey.
Bright face for watermelons.
If you're new here, my name is Angela. I lost 200 pounds, fell in love with running, and now I'm trying to live the healthiest life I possibly can while raising a toddler. And the toddler got these. Show everybody your watermelons.
I'm gonna make it.
So she's super excited about those, and now she wants to make popsicles. I've been waiting because I thought maybe she wouldn't want to make popsicles, but she actually does. So, hello. Welcome to today's video, making popsicles with your toddler.
I got them. Mommy.
Let's get started.
Mommy, I always get my chair.
Okay, you already have your chair. She is super ready to make these popsicles. Now, I must admit, I am not a Pinterest mom. I'm not like that.
Mommy,
and
can we make a rainbow popsicle?
She wants to make rainbow popsicles, and that just looked like a lot of work. But I will make popsicles because I can clean out the freezer and do popsicles at the same time. So this is not going to be the best version of a popsicle. What happened to your popsicle sticks?
Right there.
Okay, well, I need them so I can show everyone. I'm gonna show you the popsicle molds that I have. Go get them. Go get the popsicle molds. These are the popsicle molds that I have. I got them from Home Goods, so I can't link them down below, but they were $3. And now we're going to make some smoothie popsicles. Not rainbow popsicles. Let's not get that confused. But we're gonna make popsicles. Okay, so I'm not super fancy, but my first step is using my Ninja
Toddler maker.
Smoothie maker, yes.
The smoothie maker.
So this is going to be the first thing. I'm going to use my Ninja. I don't know what this is.
Ninja.
So we're going to make a smoothie in here. The next thing that I have this Too Good yogurt, the 2 grams of sugar that I'm going to use, and I have these old smoothie packets that I've been trying to get rid of a long time ago. So I'm going to make a mix of these together and make the smoothies.
Mommy, I sure that fits. I sure that fits. Yay, Mommy did it. Mommy, you took my wand.
Alright, so that actually made a lot of smoothies, so
I said open it.
Baby, that is Mommy's straw. That is not your wand. Alright, so I'm just going to dump these in the mold.
Mommy, you wasted.
I did waste it. Oh.
You always waste it sometimes.
I know, I'm always wasting it.
I have the top right here.
We're so organized here. We're so organized.
The sticks. You can use the sticks. Mom, I might have this stick.
So now Mommy's gonna pour this into here.
Okay, and we're gonna make the popsicles.
And then we're gonna make the pop here. Mommy doesn't trust herself.
Ew, yucky yogurt.
You like yogurt.
No, I wasn't. Don't you put it in there? It's gonna be rainbow popsicles. Here we go. Rainbow popsicles. Here we go.
I don't really know how much I'm supposed to fill the molds up. And it's making a serious mess.
I need one. Thanks. Go eat them.
Yeah, tomorrow then we're gonna eat them. All right?
We going to sleep.
Yes. So that is making popsicles with Angie. Now, what am I gonna do with the rest of the smoothie? I'm glad that I didn't make.
Go to sleep.
I'm glad I didn't make the other one.
Go to sleep.
Baby, are you gonna eat some smoothie?
I don't eat.
It doesn't taste very good. Oh, she's not gonna like it. I probably should have added some sugar to it. And a banana. Oh, she's not gonna like it. Kind of tastes like dirt.
The next day.
Here are our popsicles. Take them in the house.
That's too cold, too cold. Too cold, too cold.
Good morning. It's the next day. It's 7:30. And the child woke up talking about the popsicles.
Let's
So
take them apart.
let's take them apart and let's see what's going on.
Let's move, Mommy. We've got the water. Mommy, can you close the water?
I hate to disappoint her, but they're probably gonna taste like dirt. But I can't get them out.
Daddy's gonna have a rat. That's all. Yay!
We have popsicles.
I want some popsicles.
Alright. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Take this popsicle out. Okay, now lick it.
Yuck.
It's yucky. You don't like it?
It does look like a rainbow.
It doesn't look like a rainbow.
You can have one, Mommy.
Okay, I can have one.
Pick one.
Okay.
Yuck. Set the plan.
Alright, so the popsicles don't taste that bad.
Mommy.
It's creamy, but I don't know. I would definitely do something different.
Mommy,
This was a spur of the moment
popsicle.
popsicle thing that we were doing, and so I wasn't really prepared. So I could only use what I had.
Mommy, I want to have another one.
So I would definitely look into
Mommy, I
something
want to have another one for the last
a little bit better.